Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. Back up the existing CPM file and app data so you can revert if needed. Once done, enable unknown sources on your device and grant storage permission to Happymod. This allows manual updates. Then download the correct CPM package that matches your target app version and device architecture. Make sure the file name and version number align. Mismatches cause failures. You're now ready to import the package into Happymod for the actual update step. Open Happymod and navigate to the mods or local APK area to import your CPM package. Select the file and follow on-screen prompts to patch or merge. Happymod will show required permissions and conflicts. Watch the progress bar and the operation log. It tells you if symbols or resources fail to map. If a conflict appears, choose the matching game version or re-download a variant. Make sure you accept prompts quickly. Delayed permissions can abort the patch process. After patching, install the patched APK and run the app to test core functions like login, ads, or matchmaking. If the app crashes or behaves oddly, stop and restore your backup to avoid data loss. Then verify CPM compatibility, version, architecture, and resource mapping. Clear app cache and data before retrying or obtain a different CPM build. One key troubleshooting tip: if issues persist, check the Happymod operation log for missing symbols and re-download a.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.